All right, so in this training, I'm going to show you how to use SEMRush and SimilarWeb, which are two spy tools that you can use on stores that are running Google Shopping. So SEMRush is my favorite. So go to SEMRush.com. So you can sign up for the free version. The free version gives you 10 requests per day. And then you can also sign up for a 7-day trial, which I think gives you a few more requests per day. So the best thing about SEMRush is that it offers PLA research. So PLA means product listing ads. So that's just Google Shopping. So what you can do is that you can literally type in your competitor's domain name. So we'll type in trenddelivery.com and it will bring up all of the Google Shopping ads that it's crawled for this site. So we can see that they've started running Google Shopping in May, and now they're running 66 PLA ads. That's not the total of the PLA ads. That's just how much SEMRush has crawled. So I mean, it's not going to be 100% accurate. It's not going to capture every ad, but it gives you a really good idea of what they're running. So you'll have signed up for the free version of SEMRush. So unfortunately, even I think even if you're on, even if you pay $99 a month or $199 a month, they only offer 10 rows of PLA research. So you're only going to be able to see up to about here. So I'm on the $399 business plan. I don't recommend getting this if you're not making at least like $1,000 profit a month, because those 10 rows are still good. Even with those 10 rows, it's still pretty good if you have like a bunch of stores. Let's type in gadgetcheetah.com. So they've been running Google Shopping ads since April. It's usually better if the store's been running it for a while and like they're steadily increasing products, because it kind of means that they're profitable and they've got some products that have been running for a while. So they're ranking in position 1 for quite a lot of products as well, which is good to see. What I want to find here, right, is I want to look at the keywords that have relatively high volume compared to the other searches and are ranking product 1. So I'm going to open a few of these products here. Sliding card holder. You can see that like all these search volumes are quite low because they're long tail keywords. But some of these, like these 480, minimalist wallet. I'm going to open and have a look at skull dress, bow lift makeup. So I'm going to have a look at all these products. So cellulite vacuum could be okay to sell on Google Shopping. It's kind of medical, but this could be an okay product. When you upload it to Merchant Center, you'll see if this product gets approved or not. It could potentially get disapproved. Minimalist ingenious wallet with RFID blocking. So this potentially could be a good product to sell with RFID blocking wallet, so people can't skim your cards. So I would go and have a look at this product, look at the search volume, also have a look at Google Trends maybe, and decide whether to sell it. Personal cooling neck device. I've seen lots of people sell this. If we go to Google, type in personal cooling, if we go to neck cooler maybe. Yeah, so in shopping, you can see Gadget Cheetah ranking for it here. And the volume is okay as well. And it looks like there are some stores selling it at a higher price. So I'll definitely give this product a test as well. And I'm pretty sure that if we look at Google Trends, neck coolers will be trending upwards because I've seen them promoted on Facebook over the past few months. Neck cooler. So it looks like it would have been good to get on Google Shopping around here. Looks like it's sort of trending down now, but I mean, it could be coming up. But again, because any like sort of air conditioning product, you'll always see a spike up in like spring to the beginning of summer. So now I'm actually thinking that it might not be the best time to sell it, because if we're advertising to the US and the Northern Hemisphere, they're coming into winter now. So might not be the best product to promote. Summer Skull floral dress. I tend to stay away from like clothing products just because like there's always something that goes wrong. Like a lot of these dresses and clothes are quite small and don't fit. I mean, it's fine to sell like watches and necklaces and stuff, but like products that have like t-shirts or dresses, they're from China, so the sizes aren't always correct. And another thing I like to do as well is just seeing if the store is selling like any high ticket products, because yeah, I love testing high ticket products because you can generate a lot more profit margin. So like over $1,000, that's way too high, especially if you're drop shipping from like AliExpress or China. But some of these products down here might be okay. I'm going to open up a few of these products here and just have a quick look. Ideally, like if you're drop shipping from China, sort of highest ticket you want to go to is about $100 or $200. It's a different story if you have local US suppliers that you trust, but I probably wouldn't go higher than that. So let's just have a quick look at these. So I've seen plenty of people promote these mini HD projectors. I'll definitely test this as well. Fingerprint door lock. This could be a potentially good product. Just be a bit careful with high ticket products. You really have to make sure they work. You should check AliExpress seller ratings and look up the brand name of the product. But let's just have a quick look at fingerprint door locks in Google. Yeah, so I mean, you could definitely be competitive with price here. So I'd definitely test it as well. But yeah, just be careful that the product actually works.